Auxiliary verbs, often referred to as helping verbs, play a crucial role in our language. They work alongside main verbs to convey important information about tense, mood, and voice. Think of them as the unsung heroes of our sentences, quietly supporting the action without taking the spotlight. For instance, consider the sentence, "She is reading a book." Here, is serves as the auxiliary verb, indicating that the action of reading is currently happening. It adds that essential layer of meaning, showing us that this action is ongoing. Without is, the sentence would simply state, "She reading a book," which doesn't quite work, does it? Let's dive into more examples to see how these helping verbs function in different contexts. In the sentence, "They have finished their homework," the word have is the auxiliary verb. It tells us that the action of finishing is complete, giving us a sense of time and accomplishment. Now, consider, "He was playing soccer when it started to rain." Here, was is the auxiliary verb that indicates the action was in progress at a specific time in the past. It helps us visualize the scene, creating a timeline of events. Another example is, "I will call you later." In this case, will is the auxiliary verb that expresses a future action. It's a simple yet powerful word that helps us plan and anticipate what's to come. Let's not forget questions. In "Do you like ice cream?" the word do acts as an auxiliary verb, helping to form the question. It's essential for creating inquiries and engaging in conversation. Auxiliary verbs also shine in negative sentences. For example, she does not want to go to the party. Here, does helps us express negation, making it clear that she has no desire to attend. In summary, auxiliary verbs are vital for constructing meaningful sentences. They help us express actions in various tenses, indicate ongoing or completed actions, form questions, and even express negation. Without these helping verbs, our language would lack the richness and clarity that allows us to communicate effectively. So, the next time you speak or write, pay attention to these little words. They may be small, but they pack a punch in conveying meaning.